Hello and welcome to this new tutorial from our Blender tutorials series, where we are going to create a fluffy look div for this unicorn with a cool techniques that are procedural and can be applied to any object or character you have. So here in Blender 4.4, render engine is cycles, GPU compute, color management, standard. And for lighting, I'm using HDRI in the world settings. Now let's start. Moving to shading view, I will add a new material and start with a Voronoi texture. Connect to base color to see what's going on. Ctrl+T to add the texture coordinate and mapping nodes. Switch from generated to object. Now we'll change the location on X to 4.5. And now to get the dots, I will add a color ramp node to control the bright and dark areas. Get the black and white closer together. Increase scale in the Voronoi node. Now I will add another Voronoi texture, plug it to base color. Add another color ramp. Same process. Increase scale to something high this time to get more dots. Now let's mix both Voronois together. We'll add a mix color node. Plug the top one to A and the other to B. But I want both textures to be visible, so I will increase the factor to 1. That will only enable B color, and to get both now, I will change the mode to multiply. Tweak some settings till you get the desirable look. Now to control the colors, I will add another mixed color node, but this time I will connect it to the factor so that the A color will control the dots and the B will be the color of the mesh. Cool. Now I don't want the dots to be spreaded on the whole body like this. Instead, I want it to be on a random portions only. I will start by plugging those two nodes to the other Voronoi. And to make a sort of a mask, I will add a noise texture. Plug it to the mapping as well. Disable normalize to get better contrast results. Plug it to the base color to see what's going on. Now, whenever there's black, it's going to be dots, and white will be empty of dots. Let's tweak some settings. And now, to mix everything, I will add mix color node, plug noise texture into A, and the result of Voronoi into B. Change mode to screen, color ramp in between to control the contrast. Replug everything and increase factor to 1. And there you have it for the body. Now for the hair. I will start by adding particle system. Switch to hair and let's tweak some settings. Emission number to 500 and reduce hair length. Moving to render tab, steps to 5. Viewport next, steps to 5 as well. Moving to children, I will choose simple, display amount and render amount to 50. Kink, I will choose curl and tweak some settings. Now to get the look you prefer, in roughness, increase random, reduce size, play with radius and roundness. Now switching to render view, notice it's so thick, so in hair shape, I will reduce the root diameter to make it fluffy. Now I will apply same particle system for the head's hair. Select it and in particle tab, add a new particle system and choose the existing one. Same settings will be applied on both, so when you change any of the settings, both will be affected. Let's now colorize the hair we got. Moving to shader editor, add new, start with separate X, Y, and Z. Ctrl+T, Delete image texture since we won't need it. Switch to generated, connect Y to color ramp, and connect to base color. Play with the rotation, change linear to ease. Now let's add some colors to make it vibrant. Play with rotation again. You can do whatever you want from here. Like, let's copy the dots nodes from the body and paste it here. Remove this mix node and connect to a color ramp. Then connect the gradient we made to B. And connect everything now to base color to get that even cooler look. Tweak some settings till you get the desirable look. And apply same material to the hair of the head by linking with Ctrl L. You can change colors, change dot size and distribution, and you will be all set. Adding fuzz to the body now. Add particle system. Change to hair. Number 200. Length to 0.4. And leave it there for now. Steps to 5. Viewport steps to 5. Children to interpolation. Display and render amount to 100. Length to 0.02. Now increase main hair length to like 1.3. Roughness random to 0.4. Diameter root to 0.2. For the material now, let's add a new one for the hair. Color to white. And in the particle system, I will choose that material we have just created. Then in the material, reduce alpha to half, and you are all set. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.